Hey guys, Chino here with Isa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Gerard Cosmetics, but it's not going to be their cosmetic line. It's going to be their Brightening Express Teeth Whitening System. And I'm going to show you if it really works. I'm going to actually do this like right now and whiten my teeth because I want to show you the process. And to see if it really works. So I want to see if I can get my teeth, whiter and brighter. So we'll see if it works. I've usually had really bad experiences in the past with these whitening kits that I've done at home. So I'm hoping that this actually changes my perspective on, whitening my teeth at home. So we'll see. I'm excited to try this out, and I hope that it works and I have a brighter smile at the end of this video. So let's get started. Let's get started with this whitening process. So it comes with this little whitening like guide to see where you're at. And so let's see where I'm at on this wheel, and then we'll compare it at the end again. So I don't know, guys. I'm like I want to say 11 or 10. And towards the end we're going to compare to see if it actually works. So it comes with instructions, and it says, so it contains 3 millimeters of a gel syringe, which is this, and then a boil-free ready form tray, which is this one right here. And then it comes also with a LED light, which is this one. So the instruction is to brush my teeth, which I have already done. I brushed my teeth before filming this video. Let's see. Then it says remove the battery cover from the handheld LED and remove both batteries, dispose of the plastic disc and insert the batteries and battery cover. Your LED light is now operational. Okay, so I need to do that. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, then remove the cap from the gel syringe and squirt the gel into both sides of the boil-free ready form tray in little pearl-sized drops, leaving a pearl for each tooth. Be careful not to use too much gel, as you should be able to fill both trays with 1 millimeter of gel. So let's do that now. So I'm going to open up the package for the tray. Okay, so here's the tray. It smells, guys. Okay, so there's the tray. Now we're gonna get the syringe. This is a syringe. I'm removing the cap. Okay. Now I have to apply pearl-sized drops onto like each. They have like a little marking to where I have to drop them at. So I'm going to be doing that along, both sides of the tray. But before I do that, let's read the rest. Okay, so turn on the LED light on and hold it no more than 1 to 2 inches from your mouth for 30 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to be rinsing my mouth. Then additional treatments recommended after 7 days. All right, so let's do this, guys. Going to be taking, okay, it's 4. All right. Right now, so now I'm going to take the syringe and I'm going to apply like the drops. So let's see. So okay, so after this, after I put it on my mouth, I'm gonna wait the 30 minutes and then I'll rinse it out and then come back and show you the end result. Okay, so after this process, like, I'm not gonna be able to speak, so I will catch you in 30 minutes. So let's do this. It's like super gooey. I'm trying to like be really careful and not add too much. Oh my gosh. Like I'm not even pressing on the syringe because I don't want it to like add too much. Okay, so now I'm going to place this on and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and 30 minutes have passed by and these are my results. So it's saying that I'm supposed to get 7 shades lighter, but I don't really see the difference. So I was like at a 11. So I don't know. Do you guys see the difference? Say that I mean it's easy to use, but I don't know if it really did the job for me. I don't know. I'll try it again and then see if I get better results, but for right now, I mean, I don't know if I did something wrong, but I don't see the results that I was expecting, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's my review. I didn't get the 7 shades lighter. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, because I don't know if I can, so I don't know. I would say just give it a try if you guys want, and maybe it's just me, I didn't get the results that I was hoping. But yeah, there you have it. That's the review. It's easy to use at home, but I didn't see like major results. So yeah, but it was worth a try, right? I'm gonna try it again and then see what happens, and then if I see better results the next time, or maybe in like the next 7 days, I'm gonna try it again. If I see results then I'll make sure to leave a comment down below with my experience in a week. So catch me on next time, guys. I hope you like this review. Bye.